Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, yesterday I made some mistake in question E. Okay, now let's look at this question again. Question E. The price of a leather wallet in the invoice is 3 times the price of a necktie. So the price of a necktie is 38 ringgit. So 3 times the price of a necktie. So you have to use 3 times 38 ringgit to find out the price of the wallet. So 3 times 38, you should get 114. So the price of a wallet is 114. Okay, then you have to find out the total payment after the discount. So you take the quantity bilangan times harga per unit. Ini harga per unit. So bilangan 50. So 50 times 49. 50 times 49 total is 2,450. And then for wallet 30 times 114. 30 darab 114, you get 3,420. Okay, then you add these 3. Okay, tambahkan 3 ini, cari jumlah sebelum discount. So 2,450 plus 1,520 plus 3,420. Okay, sum it up. Okay, total is 7,390. This is before discount. Sebelum discount. Okay, here you get 10% discount. Mau dapat 10% discount. So 10% times harga sebelum discount. So potong kosong. So 1 times 739 is 739. So 10% discount ini ialah 739. So harga baru selepas discount. The price after discount, you take the original price minus the 10% discount. Okay, so the price after discount should be 6,651. Okay, 6,651. And then for question 2. Okay, question 2, the payment is made through 3 checks of equal value. Calculate the value of each piece of check. So dia buat bayaran melalui cek, 3 keping cek. So satu keping kena tulis berapa amount. So you take this new price, the after discount price, and then you divide 3 because there are 3 checks. Okay, you see the keyword like equal, you see the word like each. So you know you have to divide. So 6,651 divide 3. write your RM. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 3, 3. 7 times 3, 21. Oops. Okay, so the final answer will be 2,270. Okay, so this was yesterday's question. Please check again. Okay, now we move on to the next topic. Okay, this is page 79 in your textbook, page 79, muka surat 79. Okay, we're going to look at asset and liability, interest and service tax. Okay, asset and liabilities. Okay, what are assets? You look at this picture over here, look at this diagram over here. Assets is something you own, such as cash and property. Okay, it can be savings, the savings in your bank, or investments you have. Okay, investment you have, whether it's amanah saham or you invest in stocks, saham, all these are assets. Okay, cars, your cash, okay, cash, your houses, your jewelry, and if you have gold, okay, gold is also an asset. So the definition of asset is what is being owned, such as cash and property. Okay, so all these are your assets. It makes you the more assets you have, the richer you are. Okay, the more assets you have, the richer you are. Okay, then the opposite of asset will be liability. Liability means debts. Okay, hutang. Semua hutang awak adalah liability because it takes your cash away. When you have debts, you have to pay for it. So your cash, you're losing your cash. So for example, credit card debts. Okay, every time you see your father or your mother using credit cards, okay, that is something that you owe to the bank. So you have to pay back. You have to pay back to the bank at the end of the month. So credit card debts is liability. Taxes, cukai. Okay, cukai, service tax, income tax, assessment tax, cukai perlu bayar juga kepada kerajaan Malaysia. So taxes is also liability. Your car installment, okay, your parents bought new cars, you have to pay the bank every month. So that is also liability. Sebab hutang bank kena bayar balik. House installment, your parents bought a house, every month you have to pay the bank also. So semua hutang ini, awak hutang bank, hutang kerajaan, semua ni kena bayar. Semua ni adalah liability. So the more liabilities you have, the poorer you are. Okay, so dalam kehidupan, maklumatnya you have to increase your asset. Okay, increase your asset and lessen your liability. Okay, tingkatkan aset dan kurangkan liability. Kurangkan liability. Okay, next. Now let's look at the next page. Page 80. Okay, look at page 80. Okay, the table below shows the asset and liabilities of Encik Latif and Encik Faris. Their yearly income is the same 51,000. Okay, so ada dua jadual di sini. Yang kiri Encik Latif punya, yang kanan Encik Faris punya. Okay, dia sediakan dua kolom di sini, satu asset, satu liability. So tengok Encik Latif dulu. Yearly income gaji setahun 51,000. Okay, aset dia rumah 90 bernilai 90,000. Fixed deposits, okay, simpanan dalam bank, simpanan tetap 30,000. Cars 40,000. Liability dia housing loan, hutang rumah 60,000, hutang kereta 20,000, hutang pendidikan education loan. Contohnya dia pinjam duit untuk belajar di universiti, PTPTN nama dia. So hutang loan pendidikan 18,000. Okey, ini Encik Latif punya. Encik Faris punya sama, gaji setahun 51,000. House, asset dia, rumah, house 90,000. Fixed deposit, simpanan tetap dalam bank 10,000. Kereta 20,000. Liability dia, hutang rumah 30,000. Hutang kereta 10,000. Hutang pendidikan 15,000. Hutang credit card 5,000. Okay, soalan dia. Calculate the total assets and liabilities of Encik Latif and Encik Faris, who has more assets and liability. So nak cari jumlah aset, awak tambahkan semua aset lah. Okay, yang Encik Latif punya tambahkan semua aset. 90,000 plus 30,000 plus 40,000. Okay, 90 plus 30 plus 40. Dan nak cari liability, tambahkan semua liability punya. 60,000 plus 20,000 plus 18,000. Okay, tambahkan semua liability. Dan Encik Faris punya pun sama. Aset, tambahkan semua aset. Yang rumah punya, fixed deposit punya, kereta punya. Liability, tambahkan yang housing loan, car loan, education loan, credit card debts. Okay, soalan dia. Who is better at managing his income? Siapa menguruskan kewangannya dengan lebih baik? Okay, so how do we find out? So remember, if your assets are more than your liabilities, the more the better. So you are better in managing your finances. Okay, awak perlu memperolehi lebih banyak aset daripada liability. Lebih banyak lagi bagus kamu menguruskan kewangan. So nak cari siapa yang lebih arif dalam menguruskan kewangan, who is better at managing his income, awak kena tambahkan semua aset Encik Latif, tolakkan liability dia. Okay, so kita tambahkan semua aset dia, 90,000 tambah 30,000 tambah 40,000. Okay, jumlah dia berapa? Okay, jumlah dia 160,000. Okay, jumlah sini 160,000 dan liability dia okay, cikgu bagi soalan ini sebagai kerja rumah. Okay, this will be your homework for today. Okay, only one question here. You need to find out who is better at managing their finances. Siapa lebih arif, siapa lebih bagus dalam menguruskan kewangan. Okay, macam mana cari? Awak ambil semua aset Encik Latif, tolak semua liability dia. Okay, kemudian yang Encik Faris punya, awak tambahkan semua aset dia dan tolakkan semua liability dia. Okay, yang baki itu awak tengok siapa punya lebih tinggi. Okay, siapa punya lebih tinggi, dialah yang lebih pandai menguruskan kewangan. Okay, so ini soalan untuk hari ini. Okay, ini dalam muka surat 80 in your buku teks. So, cuba cari siapa yang lagi bagus dalam menguruskan kewangan. Okay, kita sambung dalam video seterusnya.